I play games on this free crypto app and earn free crypto without investment. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play this game and earn free crypto without investment, without making any deposit. Okay, so watch this video to the end. By the end of this video, you're going to know how to play this game and started any free crypto without investing or make a deposit. Okay, so watch it how to play this game. The game name is Roller Coin. So all you have to do is when you log into the game, then you come and click on start and then click on games. Okay, when you click on games, then you scroll downwards and choose any games you want to play and win free crypto. Okay, so I'm going to play this game and then start any free crypto. Okay, so I'll click on start and start playing this game. Okay, it's very easy and then simple to play it. Okay, so I'm going to play this one and then start winning free crypto. Okay, so I'm going to play this token safer snow ride. Okay, so it's loading, so I'll wait for a moment for it to load and I will start playing this game. Okay, it's very interesting game. Okay, the more you play, the more you started winning free crypto. Okay, so now I will start playing it. Okay, so this is how to play it. Okay, the more you are moving the toy, the more you are getting more coin. Okay, you get Bitcoin, and then BNB coin. There are a lot of coin on the road you have to earn. Okay, so those are the crypto you are earning. Okay, so the more you are playing the game, the more you are winning more crypto. Okay, so I will continue playing this game and then I will win free crypto without investing or without make any deposit. Okay, so I will continue playing this game. So this is how to play. It's very simple. Okay, yes, I have claimed my reward. I have win this game and earn my first crypto. Okay, so I will continue play this game because I want more crypto from this app. Okay, because it's totally free. Okay, so free thing, who don't like it? Everyone like free thing. Okay, so I will play this game again and then start earning more crypto for free. Okay, so I'll choose the exact game again. Okay, so it's still loading, so I'll wait for a moment and then start playing this. So I'll click on start again and start afresh to play this game. Okay, it's very very amazing. Okay, playing game and win more crypto. This is how to do it. Okay, it's very easy, simple, and then even fun. Okay, you can play this game all day and then earn free cryptos. Okay, so I'll start playing it. Oh, for this one I have four now. Okay, yes, I'm continuing playing it. That's the crypto. I am earning it. Okay, so I will start getting my coins, my free cryptos. Okay, so that's the best coin. That's the coins. I am taking it. Okay, so this is easy way to play this game. Okay, it's very very easy and then simple. So I'm claiming my free crypto. Okay, yes, as I have claimed a reward again, I have win a crypto again. Okay, so this is how to play this game. It's very simple. This is how to play this game and earn free crypto. That this is a step by step on how to play. That I have already teach you. Okay, so this is how to play this game and earn free crypto. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, here is Profit My channel. Don't forget to like, share, and then if you have any comment, leave it on comment down below. Okay, and then don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching it, and I see you in my next video. Bye.